Hampstead, Maryland homeowners. If you're in need of a comfort upgrade, before you rush to replace your windows or change out your HVAC system, you really should get your insulation checked. Attic insulation, crawl space if you have it, basements. Not only are these fixes less expensive, but they are also much more effective. The reason these comfort and efficiency problems go unsolved for so long is because they're hiding in parts of your home that most people avoid. The attic, the crawl space, even basements. But those areas are exactly where I go during your inspection. So you schedule your energy audit, I come out, I get into the places that nobody else wants to go, I uncover what's really going on. Airflow, drafts, windows, gaps, missing insulation, and I'm going to show you exactly what needs to be done. So here's the process. Step 1, schedule your energy audit online. Step 2, let's meet. I'll complete the inspection and I'll build out your custom plan. Step 3, you decide what you want to move forward with. Step 4, we measure the results and you feel real improvement. So, if you want a fix that actually works and doesn't break the bank, go to my website, homeairleakagetest.com, look for the Book Audit Now button, sign up for the first available date that works for you, and I'll do the dirty work and show you exactly what is really happening inside of your house.